I'm going to tell you what it's like to have a whole meal of nothing but fried food. And it is not good. It sounds like a good idea at first. Like when you're a little kid and you're like, when I grow up, I'm going to eat candy all day. Sounds great. It's a terrible idea.
But look at Mom.
All this fried food.
What about me?
All this fried food. It's too much, man. The fries are delicious, but, I mean, even still. It's like my friend Richard said about me. Ugh, I can hear you getting fatter. Yeah. So, whole meal of nothing but fried food. What would you say?
1.5?
One finger. One star. One star. Not great. You kind of need... I mean, we did have our vegetables, specifically jalapeno
Pickle.
popper, fried pickle, and whatever it is they put inside these fallen spring rolls. But yeah, whole meal of fried food. 1 star.